Well, right now I'd like to welcome Leslie Coretti from the Active Wellness Club, who you know very well from various clubs and our trading posts. And then someone else, if you've been watching for a while, you just saw that spot right there. That's Laura Renaud. And she is, of course, with ActiCare South Orange County. And what we're talking about today is your seminar coming up a week from tomorrow, July 14th, Caregiver Seminar and Expo. So welcome.
Thank you.
To the both of you.
Ken. Yeah.
So tell us about this. How did you bring this together? And you've gotten a very good group of people that are coming there and talking about this.
Well, you know, there's such a need right now for caregivers, and a lot of people, they don't really want to acknowledge the fact that maybe they need help. And so we thought, well, let's just put it out there and let people know what type of caregivers or what type of help is available. I mean, it may be only day, it may be just a few hours, it may be just someone that they need to talk to every now and then. Socialization is very key, and so we just thought, you know, some people maybe can't afford, or they think they can't afford, you know, to have someone help them, and yet there are certain programs out there, so we want to let people know that there's all levels of help available.
Yeah, and Lori, of course, ActiCare does this, and as Leslie kind of mentioned, I think sometimes people hear the word caregiver, and they feel like, you know, I'm at the point of life and all that, but a lot of times they're perfectly active, they're fine, but they want somebody to maybe help out with a few things because they live alone.
Yep, the goal of caregiving is to help improve quality of life. And you know, we want to make sure people are safe at home and as healthy as possible. So there's a variety of different roles the caregiver can play, and we make that as flexible as possible, whether that be 2 hours a day or 24/7. And like Leslie alluded to, it can be a companion care or it can be more personal care. It's what the client needs. Right,
and quite often it may be that, and this is something again that you folks do, that maybe it's just a couple hours once a week, and they need help with certain things. Now, as far as your company goes, you help out many different ways. I mean, even preparing meals, right?
Right, meal preparation, transportation, that's part of it. Once again, it gets back to what we will meet with the client, determine what's most important to them, what really, you know, what they need, and then individualize the plan.
Yeah, and again, Leslie, you mentioned that for some people, they look at the cost of it, but there's all different price ranges, right?
Right, and there are programs that are available here that are absolutely free that people don't even know about. And the other thing that we're doing here on the panel is we'll have a group of people that they will be able to ask questions to and get their answers.
Right.
But we also have job opportunities as well, because some people are looking for caregivers. Some companies are looking for caregivers. So we have a lot of people in the village who are active, who may want to help other seniors here in the community. So there will be job opportunities available as well. And there's another important thing that I want to mention is we will have a grand raffle as well, with a raffle basket valued over $150. And the first 20 people that arrive and sign in during our event will receive a ticket for free lunch.
Oh, very good.
So that will be hosted by urgent care nurses. They'll be paying for that. So those first 20 people that arrive will get a free ticket.
Very good.
You know, in order for lunch. So their cost will only be $3 to attend.
So get there, get there
early.
And
if not, it's only $5.
Yes, that's true. So you know, you're good either way. So as far as Lori, people getting help, and again, I think one of the most difficult things is people. Some are like, yeah, I want all the help I can get, and other people are like,
some are very hesitant to accept help. The best recommendation I can give is to, if it's safe, to start with a few hours, the minimum number of hours. Like you said, maybe 2 hours once a week. Develop that relationship, establish a routine, get everyone to feel comfortable, and then you can extend the hours.
Yeah, and I think for some people, they're used to having help. It's like, even for us, every couple of weeks or whatever it is, we have someone, a housekeeper that
Yes,
comes in.
yes,
So I'll
yes.
tell you, the day that my wife or I need that, will be like, heck yes. even if we're very able people, we're like, sure,
Right, yeah.
come
I
on
could use
in.
that help.
Yeah. But
But it takes time.
It does.
I didn't want a housekeeper at first.
Yeah.
And then I'm like, okay, let's try it. Well, now I wouldn't want to live without it. And that's the same thing happens with caregivers.
Right.
But people are often, they don't want to ask for help. They feel they don't need the help. They don't know the help exists. So this, this expo is a perfect way to come out, just get more information.
Yeah.
Maybe even get a plan in place so that when you do need it, you're ready to go.
And one of the main things around this is people want to stay in their homes as long as they
Yes.
can. And this is a way that they can go ahead and do that.
Yes, definitely.
And obviously you are a registered nurse,
I am.
am I correct? So obviously you're going to identify folks that when the time comes, you're going to say to them, let's say Active Care is helping them, you know what, we've done all for you that we can do. It's time you need to look at other options.
That does happen.
Because this is how you're trained.
Yes, that does happen, and I do regular check-ins on the clients. I'm making sure that their health is where we want it to be.
Yeah, so very important. So this is happening next Saturday,
Yes.
July 14th, and we want to tell folks that it's at 10:30, but the doors open. I think I have in there 10:30, and then
Yeah.
the doors open at 10. Is that
Right,
correct?
that's correct.
And it's over at Clubhouse 7. The cost, if you just want to go there, is just $3, and then lunch is another $5.
That is correct.
Right?
That's
So,
correct. That's correct.
you know, it's for $8. You get a choice of different things for lunch, and there's going to be a free raffle. There's going to be all different folks there that you can talk to and get good information, and you'll see Lori there, right?
Yeah.
So take advantage of it. Oh, one more thing you want to tell us about. So
Yeah, the Active Wellness Club is, presenting this caregiver seminar, but we do a lot of really cool
Right.
things. So this week's coming up on the 10th, which is on Tuesday, we're going to be doing a laughter class again.
okay.
We have had a ton of fun. People are coming in and just laughing for no reason. And of course,
Kind of like you and Ann do on the trading.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, kind of like Ann and I do. I mean, laughter, it really brings a sense of freedom and happiness, to you. So we'll be doing that at Clubhouse 5 on the 10th in room 1 from 4 to 10 p.m. So anyone in the village, you are welcome to come and attend.
Okay.
And we're going to just be laughing for no reason.
All right, very good. Great to see you again, and Lori, you too. We'll see both of you again soon, I'm sure. So again, the Caregiver Seminar is Saturday, July 14th at 10:30. Doors open at 10 o'clock at Clubhouse 7. We'll be right back.